The Ministry of Home Affairs on Friday extended the coronavirus containment guidelines issued earlier to 31st of March. The statement said that even though the numbers are declining, it is important to maintain caution. Surveillance, containment, and caution are needed to fully overcome the pandemic. The states have also been told to speed up the vaccination drive as it will break the chain of transmission. Notably, the vaccination for those above 60 years of age and those above 45 with comorbidities will commence on March 1st.
लोगों की उम्मीद थी, वैसे ही सरकार ने तय किया है कि 1 मार्च से यानी अगले सप्ताह से सोमवार से 60 से ज्यादा उम्र जिनकी है और ऐसी संख्या 10 करोड़ से भी ज्यादा है, ऐसे सभी लोगों को और 45 से ज्यादा उम्र जिनकी है लेकिन जिनको कोमॉर्बिडिटी है, कोई ना कोई दूसरी बीमारी है, ऐसे 45 से ज्यादा उम्र वाले लोगों को भी 1 मार्च से टीकाकरण किया जाएगा। 10,000 सरकारी केंद्रों पर और लगभग 20,000 से भी ज्यादा प्राइवेट केंद्रों पर, हॉस्पिटल्स में ये टीकाकरण होगा। और उसमें सबसे बड़ा फैसला यह है कि जो 10,000 सरकारी केंद्रों पर जाकर टीका लगवाएंगे, कोई भी हो, उसको मुफ्त टीका लगेगा।
The centre has also asked states to ensure that all containment rules are strictly followed by those residing in containment zones. It is also important that containment zones are marked carefully. As per existing guidelines, all activities have been permitted outside containment zones, except a few which will be subject to strict adherence of SOPs. Cinema halls and theatres have already been permitted up to 50% of seating capacity. Now they will be permitted to operate at higher seating capacity. A revised SOP will be issued by the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting in consultation with MHA. Swimming pools were earlier opened only for sports persons, and now it is expected that the pools will be opened for all. A revised SOP will be issued by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports in consultation with MHA. Meanwhile, a total of 16,488 new coronavirus cases were reported, pushing the infection tally to 1,10,79,979. The death toll rose to 1,56,938 with 113 new fatalities.